When there's no one by your side, would you call in the name of love? In the name of love, name of love, in the name of love, name of would you rise up, come and meet me in the sky?
Yang kedua,
would you fall in the name of love?
Memfasilitasi di bidang pembangunan. Karena kalau orang lain
Sadness leaves you broken in your bed. I will hold you in the depths of your despair, and it's all in the name of love. In the name of love, name of love, in the name of love, name of love, in the name of I wanna testify, screaming the holy light. You bring me back to life, and it's all in the name of love. I wanna testify, screaming the holy name of love.
Karena itu bisa kita buat dimati dengan usulan-usulan.
Dan kemasyarakatan pembinaan dan tempat
Terusnya itu kan tahapan ya kepala desa. Yang kelima